can't wait for this shift to be over.
Logan! You're late again. One more time and you're fired. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Logan? Is that you?
No way. Jessica? How are you? What are you doing here?
I'm here to meet my boyfriend.
Boyfriend? Huh.
How have you been? Are you still chasing your dream to be a musician?
Oh, yeah. I'm still doing that. Pretty much. Doing small gigs here and there. Life is good.
I knew you would make it.
Jessica!
Oh, that's my boyfriend. I gotta go. Bye, Logan.
You know I'm just a fool who's willing. Hello.
Let me tell you something, this was created 100% using AI tools. And as you just saw, we've officially reached a point where you can create your own AI series. It's really possible now. I made this entire video using the latest GPT Image 2 and Seedance 2 OMNI Reference, and the result? It's right in front of you. So if you're done wasting your credits and money on useless transition videos people forget within hours, it's time to create something real, something truly awesome. And in this video, I'm gonna walk you through exactly how I made this. Step by step. No complications, no fluff. It's actually super easy. So without wasting any more time, let's get straight into it. All right, I used Visina AI to create my images, videos, and even the prompts. So let me show you exactly how I did it. First, click on the link in the description and sign up using your email ID. Once you're in, you'll be taken to this interface. From here, click on Open Studio. And this is the main interface. This is where all the magic happens. Now, if you want perfect character consistency, here's what you need to do. Go to the Characters Lab tab. Here, you can describe your character, how they look, their style, their vibe, everything. And if you want even better results, you can upload a reference image and it will build your character based on that. So for my character, here's what I did. I already had an image I created earlier, so I uploaded it. Then I simply described the modifications I wanted, hit generate, and it created the updated version. Once the image was ready, I saved the character by giving it a name. And now I can reuse this same character across images, videos, everything. Pretty neat. I followed the same process for this characters as well. Uploaded reference images, made adjustments, and saved each one with a name. Now for the manager character, I didn't use any reference image. I only used these settings and it came out perfect. Then I saved it. And this part is very important. Always save your characters properly, because that's what ensures consistency throughout your entire project. Okay, once my characters were ready, I moved on to creating the scene images for the video. For that, go to the Directors tab. This is the section I used, and trust me, this is not your normal image generator. Here, you just give a basic idea of the scene you're imagining, and it generates an entire sequence while keeping both the character and environment consistent throughout. Pretty amazing, right? At first, I was just experimenting, trying out different ideas, but eventually, I locked in on one concept and went with it. Now let me show you exactly how I did it. First, to create a scene, choose the model you want. You can go with OpenAI or Gemini. I went with OpenAI. After that, make sure you select sequence mode. Then choose your grid size. You can go up to 16 images at once. I personally used a 2x2 grid. Next, click on the plus icon, and this panel will open up. Go to the Character tab and select the character you created earlier. Now comes the easiest part. Just describe the basic idea of your scene. You don't need to be very detailed here. Keep it simple. Then choose your quality and aspect ratio and hit generate. That's it. Now this is the sequence it created. Just look at this. absolutely awesome. This is exactly what I was going for. That slightly bored expression, like he doesn't belong there. And the style, the character consistency, it's all perfectly maintained. Honestly, I was really happy with the result. It captured the exact vibe I had in mind. Once I was satisfied with the first sequence, creating the next one became super easy. Now, if you want to extract the shots, you've got two options. You can either manually extract each shot by clicking on the extract shot option and selecting the ones you want, or you can just extract everything at once, which is honestly a pretty neat feature. Now for the next scene, where the manager comes in and scolds him, here's exactly what I did. I uploaded the main character image, then added the manager's image, and also included the previous scene image to maintain better background continuity. Then, in the prompt, I clearly explained what I wanted to happen and how I wanted to introduce the new character. You can also tag your uploaded characters using the @ symbol inside the prompt. After that, just hit generate, and this is the result. Amazing. I'm telling you, once you start using this method, it's going to be very hard to go back to anything else. This is one of the best ways to achieve perfect character and scene consistency. Now here's another example. This is the scene where he's coming out of the store and meeting Jessica. Again, I uploaded the character images of Logan and Jessica, as you can see here, then also added the previous scene for better continuity, described the action in the prompt, and this is what it generated. Looks incredible. And that's basically the entire process. For every scene, I followed the same steps. Add your characters, include reference images if needed, describe what you want, tag everything properly, and the AI handles the rest. It's honestly very, very simple. And for this video, I did not even extract the images. I straight away used these grids with Seedance too. Alright, now let me show you how I turned all of this into videos. So first, go to the Videos tab. From here, make sure Seedance 2 is selected, and also switch to Reference to Video mode, which is basically the OMNI Reference, and trust me, this works like magic. Now here's the crazy part. You can add up to 9 reference images, 3 videos, and even 3 audio files. For my first scene, here's exactly what I did. Click on the plus icon, go to Characters, and select your main character, in my case Logan. After that, go to the Director's Cut tab and select your scene sequence. For me, it was the first sequence I created, and add the images as input. Now comes the most important part. For Seedance 2, a simple prompt won't give you the best results. Unlike other AI tools, here you need a detailed prompt. So what I did was use a JSON-style prompt, which gives much better control and output. Let me show you how to create that. Go to the Prompt tab and make sure you're in the Video section. From the Character section, select your character. Then in Scene Reference, go to the Directors tab and choose your scene. Next, for output, select Detailed. Choose your video duration. Mine was 15 seconds. Turn on cutscenes if you want multiple shots, and select how many. I went with 5 cuts. Now here's the easy part. Just describe your basic scene idea and the dialogues, if any. You don't need to overcomplicate it. You can also tag elements using the @ symbol to guide the AI better. Then hit generate. And just like that, it creates a highly detailed JSON prompt that works perfectly with Seedance 2. Now simply copy that prompt, go back to the Videos tab, paste it, choose your mode, aspect ratio, duration and quality, and hit generate. And that's it. And this is the final output.
Man, I can't wait for this shift to be over.
Now here's what I did for the second scene. Again, I added my characters, and this time I wanted to introduce these characters, so I added this image, then added the grid image. Next, I created this prompt using the prompt lab with the same characters and the shot grid image. Then I made sure I tagged everything properly in the prompt, hit generate, and this is the output. Amazing. And now we are at a point where the AI expressions don't feel robotic, they feel very natural, in my opinion. Now here's another scene where he gets out of the store and Jessica finds him. For this, I uploaded his image, added the scene, then added Jessica's image. Then I generated this prompt using the prompt lab and hit generate. And that's it. This is how I created all my videos. It's very simple. Go to prompt lab, enter elements, create a detailed prompt, generate your video. That's it. And as you can see, I did not have to generate many times. For almost 90% of the clips, I got the result on my first try. For a few, I had to generate once or twice. That's it. Very easy. And using this technique, you can really create wonders, I'm telling you. So this is why I use Visina AI. Once my clips were ready, I imported everything into CapCut, did a bit of editing, added some filters, and that's it. The video was done. And the best part, the scene continuity is there, the character consistency is there, and most importantly, the emotion is there. And that's that's what makes the difference. So now it's your turn. Go ahead and start creating your own AI series, short films, whatever your imagination comes up with. And if you run into any issues along the way, just let me know. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep grinding.